Do you know what today is? It's my anniversary. My anniversary. What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Kayla and I'm back with another video. Today I'm so excited because I finally received my Boxyluxe Boxycharm box. Please excuse this nasty nail. I finally received this today, so if you want to see what I got in my Boxyluxe, just stay tuned. So this time, I've done a few unboxings in the past. You guys probably haven't seen those videos, but I'll link them just in case you're interested. But today, I actually did not look inside my box. Like, I've been having this since this morning. I've been waiting on this since like the 2nd of December. I decided to be surprised. I managed to avoid all the spoilers. Well, most of them anyway. I've seen a few, but I don't like to see what's in them. I like to be surprised. So when I open this, this will be my first time seeing what's in this box. Let's open and see what's inside. And this is how big the Boxyluxe box is. Like, you can fit some shoes in here, girl. First, they give you the card. I'm not gonna look at it because I don't want to know. I want to be surprised. Oh my gosh. Okay. First thing that I see here. Oh, this is nice. Quick dry wrap towel. Where is it at? Oh my gosh. Okay, Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap. So the retail price of this is $18. Helps reduce frizz, maintain healthier hair by cutting the time of blow drying, blah, blah, blah. So there's that. Next, let's see, this says cosmetics. What is this? I'm challenged, guys, so I'm sorry. When it comes to opening stuff, it's hard. And I'm just so thirsty to open it. I'm probably gonna drop it on the floor or something stupid. Oh, something fell out. What is that? Face and body massage. Oh, it's a beauty roller. This is weird. Face and body beauty roller. Like, what is... I've been wanting like a face massager too, so hopefully this is good. But this is strange looking, like freaky looking, but yeah, okay. Let me stop before I break it. I'm gonna try this out and see like what it's hitting for. I've never seen a face thing legit like that before. Say retail price is $69 for that body roller, so that must be some good stuff. I'm gonna see how to exactly use that. I mean, I guess I could figure it out, but $69, I really need to look into that because that's crazy. What's next here? So we have a school bus speeding down the street in the snow. This is called Power Up by In Beauty Project. I've never heard of them. So dual phase setting mist. So I always am in need of some setting spray, so that will definitely come to use. That is, so In Beauty Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. This energizing setting mist is a pick-me-up you need when you to get through the day and night. Special bi-phase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Kind of changing colors a little bit, I think, or am I just overzealous? I don't know, but so I definitely always need setting spray all the time because I use it up, so that'll come in handy. So next here, I think it's called Ciate. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is called Marbled Light. And what is this? Light illuminating blusher. So you add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light illuminating blush. Oh, so it doesn't have talc in it, so that's good. Talc is definitely bad for you. I think it has like talc causes fibroids and cancer and things like that, so that's good. Retail price on that one is $26. So again, we are already way past the $50 I spent for this box. So Boxycharm, I love ya. Next we have, ooh, this is Too Faced Rich and Dazzling. And if you see me struggling, it's because, like I mentioned before, I don't have my glasses on. It'll ruin my makeup, and I choose makeup over eyesight, so there's where my priorities are. There's that. High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. And I love Too Faced. Everything with Too Faced is so pretty and pink and girly. So this retails for 21 bucks. This is called Pretty Pink. Oh, I'm definitely gonna display that. They always have such nice, luxurious packaging. I love Too Faced so much. It's like the ultimate girly cosmetic line. I love it. Ooh, okay, so this is actually the item I chose. So Boxycharm lets you choose an item that you're gonna get in your Boxyluxe. So this is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I'm definitely gonna be putting this in my little skincare fridge, makeshift skincare fridge. So this anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. This retails for $39. So this is really good. Saturday Skin is a really nice, luxurious brand. Always happy to get these things that I would probably might buy them on my own, but we on a budget, okay? Let's just say that. Next here, oh, I'm so happy. So this is Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is called Dagger tattoo liner in the shade Trooper Black. So I've only ever had like a sample of Kat Von D's tattoo liner, but that sample, it was, I mean, it was black. It was what I was looking for in an eyeliner. So this retails for $20. I said we are already just getting a bang for our buck, so this is already amazing. Experience effortless winged liner looks with an innovative eyeliner specially engineered for easy application on any eye shape, making Dagger tattoo liner ideal. Don't you guys love when I read? I just ruin all my words. For all makeup junkies. And we are coming to the end, unfortunately, but I'm so happy. We have a fresh soy face cleanser. I actually seen someone unbox this on YouTube. Of course, they went out and bought it with their coins because they have it like that. But this is such a nice full size bottle. I'm telling you guys, Boxycharm it's like the only box that's worth it. Like, they give you full size luxurious products. This gel cleanser is for all skin types, has a cult following for the way it removes makeup. We need that. Even mascara without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. So this actually retails for $48. So this by itself is almost the cost of the entire box. And we are coming to our last item, which unfortunately I seen spoiled. I hate seeing the spoilers, but I follow Boxycharm on Twitter, Instagram, so it's inevitable that I'm gonna see the spoilers. So this is a Fairytale Storybook Cosmetics, and this is so cool. It is a palette. It comes like this. These are all the pretty colors. I'm wondering, is this like is this like the palette? Because it looks like it has a lot of empty, unused space. I don't know. I mean, it's really cool though. Myself in the mirror, makeup still popping. Also, if you want to see this makeup look, go follow my beauty page, and I actually have a tutorial on how to do it. Get my plug in, but this is really cute. These are really nice winter colors, so I can't wait to use this. I'm going to use this ASAP. Actually retails for $55. I mean, this is such a cool looking palette. I really like that. Like, it's probably one of the most different looking palettes I ever had, even though it does kind of take up space, but I'll figure out what to do with it. So if you have made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you. Also, since I am coming up on 100 followers, I'm going to be doing a very minuscule, small giveaway. I'm going to figure out the details of the giveaway and what you have to do to enter. and I'm gonna put that on my next video. But I really appreciate you watching this. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and happy Vlogmas, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.